make a garden big and bright. We'll plan our shapes and get it right. A curvy path, a sunny spot, some shady trees we love a lot. Go, grow, garden, go, stretch up high and down below. Little roots and big green leaves dancing softly in the breeze. Grow, grow, garden, go, watch your tiny seedling show. Every color starts to glow. Grow, grow, garden, go. Dig a line of colors neat, make a pattern oh so sweet. Roses red and daisies round, butterflies are all around. Water showers, drips and streams, turning dirt into our dreams. Rake it, plant it, smooth it low, now our garden starts to grow. Dance like the rainfall, tip-tap-toe. Wave like a flower, sway and glow. Buzz like the bees, hum soft and slow. We're nature's helpers. Go, garden, go. Grow, grow, garden, go. From tiny seeds to blossom show. Colors pop and rivers flow. Our love makes the garden grow. Grow, grow, garden, go. Together we make beauty show. Let's take a bow. Now you know how happy gardens grow. Hop on the bus, let's go, let's go. Off to the garden, flowers grow. Tiny hands wave, the sun is bright. We're ready for fun, our hearts feel light. Adventure in the garden, oh what a view. Roses, daisies, every shade and hue. We giggle, we sing with our teacher too. Learning and laughing, the sky so blue. Look, a butterfly, orange and small, floating above the garden wall. Smell the jasmine, soft and sweet, nature's candy under our feet. Tiny seeds in the soil below. With sunshine and rain they start to grow. Buzzing bees and hummingbirds fly. Life's a rainbow right before our eyes. Adventure in the garden, come and see. Colors and magic for you and me. We dance with the wind and whisper, wow. Thank you, Earth, for this day right now. The bus rolls home as the stars appear. We'll dream of flowers all through the year. Good night, my friends, we'll go again soon to the garden that sings a happy tune.